Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of iGeeks blog. This is Puneet Khatri back with another video. So guys, iTunes has been a great media player. What defines or rather sets it apart is the purity. That's the primary main reason why I love to play my favorite tracks via iTunes when I'm using my Mac. To ensure my music goes on continuously with my mood, I use my Apple Watch to remotely control iTunes and play the best music I want to listen to. So this video is all about how you can use your Apple Watch to control your iTunes music or like as a remote. So without wasting any bit of time, let's get started. Okay, so guys, in order to go ahead and get started, what you need to do is that you need to first of all make sure that your Mac as well as your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once that's done, what you need to do is tap on the digital crown, go back. Now you need to open the remote application over here. So I'll just open the remote application. Now you need to tap on add device over here. Tap on add device and you would get this 4-digit code pop-up. That's 3939 in my case. Now what you need to do is you need to drop back to your iTunes library. Once you're there under your iTunes library, over here on the left side corner, you will have this icon showing up here. Just tap on this icon and here you would have your Apple Watch. Like that's my name is Puneet. So the name of my Apple Watch actually is Puneet's Apple Watch. So I get this over here. Now you need to enter this code over here. That's 3939 in my case. Whatever is your code, just enter that. And here you can see your remote is now able to control iTunes, which means we have successfully done that, or like the remote access allowance has been successfully provided. So guys, as you can see now, earlier I was being asked to add a device. Now you can see that I have this option again to play or pause the music. So I can just play the music. I can change the music, and also I can tap on this icon over here to go back. Again, tap over here on the library's name to open that library, and you can just like use the previous or like next and play, pause, increase or decrease the volume, and you can easily control now your iTunes library right from your wrist. Okay, so guys, now we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was all about how you can use your Apple Watch or use your wrist to control iTunes on your Mac or your Windows PC. So that's really cool and that's really helpful for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to give a thumbs up to this video. Make sure to subscribe to iGeeks blog. The subscribe button is down right there. And also I would like to know from the comment section what do you think about this, or like how helpful this was for you guys. And I'll get back to you guys later in my next video. Peace out.